In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix shade lights, audio, or sound not working. The first thing that you want to do here is to start your game. This is the first solution we could do. A simple restart will probably solve your issue. It will refresh anything on your game. But before you actually restart the game, we suggest you to actually uh, run it as administrator, which is actually our second advice to solve this issue. Our third solution for this is to verify file integrity. So how do you verify your file integrity? Go ahead and open your Steam and just right click on your game and go to properties, go to local files and just click on verify integrity of game files. Our next solution is to check audio output device. In the right corner of your screen, you'll be able to see the volume icon here. Just ensure that you're using the correct output device. So if you want to hear it from your speaker, just use your speaker, or if your headset, just make sure that you are using your headset. Our next solution is to check audio mixer. So to check your audio mixer, just go ahead and hover around your volume speaker icon here and just right click on it and go to open volume mixer. You just have to ensure that your game is not muted and the bars or the volume for your game is raised in a significant level where you can actually hear the game. So once you've done that, just exit on this and check if that solves your issue. So for our final solution, we suggest you to update your audio device. So to do that, go ahead and go to your Windows search and just type in device manager and then close this up and go to sound, video, and game controllers. Expand this and right click on your device here and just click on the update driver. We suggest you to use the search automatically for drivers since Windows will find the appropriate update for you and install it for you. So hopefully this video was able to help you resolve your issue. Like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.